Here we are in section 3.4 with the answers to numbers 1 through 5. Here this says solve for y. Look at this. We're clear back in 2.2 right now. That's all right. We can solve for y. Subtract 2x, and we get 3y equals 9 minus 2x, or negative 2x plus 9. We've been doing y equals mx plus b, so I'm going to put the x first. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. So divide by 3 everywhere, and y is by itself. Number 2, subtract the 5x from both sides. We get negative 7y equals 13 minus 5x. Divide by sides by a negative 7, negative 7, negative 7. And we get y equals, this is going to be a positive 5/7 x minus 13/7. There we go. You could have also written it in a couple of different ways, that 13 minus 5x over negative 7, and so on and so forth. But if you adjust it and write it so that you can see it like that, it'll take something in standard form and turn it into something in slope-intercept form. So this allows you to see those connections. The slope is 5/7, the slope is 5/7, and anyway. All right, moving on to the next one. Subtract 5x, subtract 5x. And we get 3y equals negative 5x plus 10. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, and we get y equals a negative 5/3 x plus 10/3. Good. Okay, fill out a table for each of the following. 4x minus 3y equals 9. What happens when x is 0? Now remember, this side of the chart will go in for x right there, so we get 0 minus 3y equals 9, and when we divide both sides by a negative 3, we'll get y as a negative 3. Good. The next one, we're going to stick negative 4 in, so we get 4 times negative 4 is negative 16 minus 3y equals 9. Add 16 to both sides, we get negative 3y equals 25. So when we divide by negative 3, we get negative 25/3. Good. Now we're going to stick some in, like this 3 on this side is going to go into the y value. And we get 4x minus 9 equals 9. Solve this one. Add 9 to both sides. 4x equals 18, and divide by 4. X equals 18/4, which gives us 9 halves. And so that'll go right over there. We stick a 0 in. Now this is how we're going to get that x-intercept, by sticking y equals 0 in. So this is 4x minus 0 equals 9. Divide both sides by 4, and we get 9/4. Now 7 will go in for y, and we'll get 4x minus 21 equals 9. Add 21 to both sides, and we get 4x equals 30. X equals 30/4. That can simplify down to 15 halves, or about 7.5. 15 halves. There we go. That's number 4. Number 5. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to take 2, stick it right up in there for x, and we get y equals 7 halves times 2 is 7 minus 3. That's 4. We stick in a 0. Stick in 0 there, and we get y equals negative 3. Oh yeah, that's the y-intercept, which is found right there. The red one, let's go negative 1 in there. You get y equals negative 7 halves. That's sticking negative 1 in for x, minus 3. And if you punch that in, you get negative 7 halves minus 6 halves. That's negative 13 halves. We'll go right there. Take a 0, and now we're going to stick it in for y. So this is going to go up right there. So we get 0 equals 7 halves x minus 3. This takes a little bit of doing to solve this for x, to find the x-intercept. Add 3 over here, and then times by 2/7. 2/7. So those guys go away, and we get 6/7 for x. So that's the x-intercept. And then stick 11 in for y for the last one. 11 equals 7 halves x minus 3. Add 3 over here, we get 14 equals 7 halves x. times both sides by 2/7, and we get x equals, those guys are gone, 2/7 times 14 should equal 4. So we have a 4 right there. All right, good.